Hey, second grade, you ready to do our spring week 14 art lesson? Now before we begin, you're going to need your finished artwork of the garden plan and the detailed flower and pollinator picture that we did. You're going to need a device that has a camera. It can be a tablet, a cell phone, a laptop, a computer, and the Flipgrid information that's on your Seesaw in the art folder. Now, let's do a review before we go too far. Let's see. Where is art in the design process? Can you remember? How are we connecting art to your expedition? And what are our learning targets? That one might be the hardest one. You are going to be recording a Flipgrid video, and in a few weeks we're going to do some critiques on them. Let's practice a critique right now. These are called tag critiques. You're going to tell me something you like, ask me something about my artwork, and then give me a suggestion. So, tell me something you like about this artwork. All right, ask me something about this artwork. And give me a suggestion what you think I could do or to improve my artwork. Wonderful. So in the design process, art is part of empathize. We help you make a connection, a personal connection to your subject or your expedition. And in this case, your expedition has been about powerful pollinators and sustaining their lives. The connection we're making is that we've been learning how to draw flowers and a couple of pollinators so that we could create a pollinator garden design and individual flower and pollinator pictures. Your learning target is I can look for easy to draw shapes to begin my drawing. So this week, you are going to get some time to get caught up. So if you didn't finish your garden plan or you haven't done your flower and the pollinator picture, that needs to be the first thing that you work on, and you need to have it finished. Because we're all going to be making some Flipgrid videos. You're going to show your two pictures in your Flipgrid video. Now, why Flipgrid videos? In the week of May 16th to the 20th, your classes will do a critique of your grade's finished videos. This will include all of the classes in your grade level. You'll get to see all of the videos, not just the ones from your grade. Not just the ones in your class, but all of the second grade classes. That also means all of your classmates will get to see your video. We will do a tag critique of our videos, just like you did a tag critique of mine. So the video you post will be the video everyone sees. You have plenty of time to record a good one. Today, again, finish any of your garden detail drawing or your garden design if you need to. You must have these two artworks and they need to be done. Next, we're going to read over the information on the next two slides and practice your video first, and then record your video. So you don't need to read this part on the Flipgrid, but this is a reminder of what we've been doing. This semester we have done lots of drawings of plants and pollinators. We studied flowers that attract pollinators like the sunflower, the aster, the lantana, and the milkweed. We studied a few butterflies such as the painted lady butterfly and the blue bottle butterfly. Some students even did the zebra wing butterfly challenge. We also practiced bees. Then we designed our own garden, and then we drew a picture of a pollinator with one of our flowers. This is what I want you to read out in your Flipgrid. This is my design, my garden design. And show us your picture. I chose to put these flowers in it because, and tell us why. I hope it attracts what kind of pollinators, which ones. Then show us your next picture. I drew this flower and this pollinator. I chose this flower because, and I chose this pollinator because. So that's it for you. Again, if you need to get caught up on any artwork, go ahead and get caught up. You will have next week as well to record this video. All right, thanks guys. Check out your Flipgrid tutorial next. Hello friends, just a quick Flipgrid tutorial. So we're going to be doing Flipgrids for art. You're going to do a critique of other people in your grade levels Flipgrids. So we want the best Flipgrids. Make sure you have all of the art that you have been asked to show in your Flipgrid. There's going to be a script on your page so you'll know what to look for. And I'm going to walk you through what the assignment page will look like and how to get to your Flipgrid. So when you go to your seesaw, if you are kindergarten, first, second, or third, it's going to look like this. And if you go to your Google Classroom, if you are fourth or fifth, it will look like this. Each one of these contains the same information. This has information here. This will be a little bit of just something about your assignment. Then it'll tell you first anything that you need to work on, then anything that you need to have, and at the bottom of your assignment there will be the login info. In this case, for this one, it'll be Amana Art. And again, all of this information is also on your Google Classroom. Same stuff. In Seesaw, you will have to click on the actual Flipgrid link here and put in that information. And you can see, same thing. And if you are a Google Classroom user, you've got it a little bit easier. You don't even have to click on that, but you can. Or you can click on this one. And again, once you come in, you enter the information that is on the Seesaw assignment. Please note that the one I am showing you in this is a test. This is not your assignment. Please don't use this URL. There will be one in yours specifically for you and your class. So once you've entered it, hit go, and voila, you will be in a Flipgrid that specifically says your class. So if you are in kindergarten in Miss Favorite's class, it will say kindergarten Favorite. If you are in Miss Russell's class in third grade, it will say Russell's third grade. If it, or whatever. So if you see a different teacher name up here, you're in the wrong one. I'm not sure how you would have gotten to it. Then you're going to click one of these and record a response, which is your video. You will see that there will be a script in this area up here. There will be a script in this area, right where you can see my mouse move. Please use that script. Hey, so this is Miss Franz trying out the Flipgrid for the first time. I've given myself a lovely green bow. So this is my silly example of a Flipgrid. Don't forget, when you are making your Flipgrid, there's a script on your page for you to read through. You need to make sure that you are reading the script that's on your Flipgrid page. Otherwise, I won't be able to consider your video finished. It's okay if you need to use a prompt. It'll be all right. This will only let you take 1 minute worth of a video. So if you run out of time, you might want to see if you're talking too much about something. But if your video is only about 10 seconds long, you're probably not reading the script. So the last thing about this video, or that I want to remind you of, is that when we use our Flipgrids in a few weeks, we're going to be doing a critique. But it's not just one class critiquing one class. Everyone in your grade level is going to get the chance to see everyone else's videos. So all of third grade will get to see everyone in third grade's videos. All of fifth grade, all of kindergarten. You won't be seeing other grade level stuff. It might be a little strange for the little kids to get some of that. But it does mean you need to have the script, something I've said a few times already, and you need to make sure that you're not going through it really fast. Your friends and your classmates and your families and your teachers are going to have the chance to see these videos. So do them really well. Take a good time. Take your time with them. Do a good job. I won't be able to put up any of the videos that are not finished or don't follow the script. All right. Thank you guys.